You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Despite the fact that the probability of a reduction in the key interest rate in September remains not very high, the stock market is under the power of buyers. This indicates their willingness to continue growing, which in turn is caused by optimistic forecasts for the largest companies in the world and the United States, in particular. If this forecast is confirmed, then we will see a significant update of historical highs by key stock indices. After all, on the one hand, humanity still needs hydrocarbons, and on the other, technologies are developing so rapidly that it is already difficult to imagine a world without artificial intelligence. It is really important to realize that it is artificial intelligence that makes it possible to avoid a crisis at such a high level of the key interest rate of the Federal Reserve. After all, it was that significantly increased the capitalization of a huge number of companies, and not only from the technology sector. Although OpenAI and NVIDIA remain the main beneficiaries, this technology has made drastic changes that are also at an early stage of their development. Therefore, it can be assumed that the bullish scenario for the stock market remains relevant, provided that no strong force majeure situation occurs that can radically change investor sentiment. Despite the general optimism of investors, which concerns not only the stock market, but also the cryptocurrency market, investors do not forget about hedging risks. Government bonds and gold are very well suited for this. Despite the sales of this precious metal last week, buyers replaced the sellers yesterday, keeping the quotes well above the psychological mark of $2,300. However, the current situation looks more like uncertainty or even the advantage of sellers than the willingness of bulls to update the maximum. If the price returns below $2,330, the probability of a decline to $2,300 will increase significantly. A breakdown of this level can change the trend. Recall that the key U.S. stock indexes are kept in the green zone, thereby reducing interest in gold. But the general decrease in demand for protective assets also indicates risk tolerance. Accordingly, the bullish scenario is also relevant for the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, the approval of applications for the creation of an exchange-traded investment fund that allows you to buy Ether may become the necessary growth driver for the formation of the next wave of growth. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.